Okay student, now we are going to solve the question number 6 part 3, third part. In this part we have two triangles. We have to find whether they are similar to each other or not. We have to follow the properties of the similar triangle, in which we have two properties that all the corresponding angles of given triangles must be equal and their corresponding sides must be in the same ratio. So we will find these two properties whether they are fit in these two triangles or not. So first of all, the first property is corresponding angles. So here the corresponding angles are equal, which is equal to 100 degree. So the first property is fit to these triangle, that the corresponding angles are equal to each other. But in second property, we will find their corresponding sides are in the same ratio or not. Corresponding sides, if we take the first corresponding sides, which is 2 centimeter, and here we have the 4 centimeter. If we take the ratio between the 4 and 2, we will have 2 centimeter. And in other corresponding sides, if we have take the ratio between these two sides, 12 and 1.5. So by solving these, it becomes 8 centimeter. So by dividing 120 by 15, we will have 8 centimeter. As we can see that the ratio between these two sides are not equal, so we can say that the given triangles are not similar So these two triangles are not similar to each other because their corresponding ratio between the corresponding sides is not equal. Their corresponding angles are equal, but their ratio between the corresponding sides is not equal. So we can say that these two triangles are not equal to, not similar to each other. So students, we have completed our chapter number 15. In next lecture, we will start the chapter number 16 inshallah. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.